Have you ever wondered why your heart acts like it has GPS, but it only tracks the wrong people? Yeah, same. Let's talk about why this happens. Because it's not just you, it's actually psychology messing with all of us. Sometimes we fall for the wrong people because our brain loves patterns, even if the pattern is terrible. If you're used to chaos, someone calm feels boring, and someone unpredictable feels like chemistry. Spoiler, that's not chemistry, that's your nervous system begging for a break. Another reason, we project what we want to see. That one sweet message, suddenly they're your soulmate. Meanwhile, they reply once a week, and only at 11:47 p.m. Your brain still goes, maybe they're just busy. No, bestie, they're not solving world hunger. And let's be honest, sometimes the wrong people are just really good at being charming in the beginning. They send good morning texts, laugh at your jokes, maybe even pretend they love your favorite shows. Then weeks later, they transform like a bad plot twist. But here's the real truth. We usually fall for the wrong people when we haven't figured out what we truly deserve. When you don't know your value, anyone with a little attention feels like treasure. The moment you start understanding yourself, your needs, your boundaries, your worth, you stop falling for almost, maybe, and bare minimum. You start choosing people who choose you back. So no, your heart isn't broken, it's just learning. And every wrong person you fall for brings you one step closer to the right one.